Hey friends, Ann Shepherd here with number 12 video. Today we're going to talk about introductions and how you can help me and we can help others in the real estate industry. Do you know anyone that would like some real estate advice? Do you know anyone that would like to know how much their homes or homes are being sold for in their neighborhood? Did you also know that you can help me with my real estate business regardless of where you live? And I'll tell you how you can do that. Now, there's no pressure whatsoever, and you don't have to respond, but I just wanted to put it out there. But if you do know somebody, seriously, please send me a Facebook message and I will get right to work. And but having these introductions truly makes smooths the path for our first conversations and kind of breaking the ice, if you might. Um, but what I consider myself as a people connector, if you may say, a person that would connect others as needed, refer to one another within our partnerships, people who does great work at whatever profession that you might need, and if I know that person, I will refer them um, to you. But the other beauty of it is having the vast majority of realtors that across the globe we can work together, that we refer, that we connect um, clients and customers to. Um, However, if I know somebody in Spain, for instance, or Trinidad where I'm from, would definitely be able to send somebody, Colorado, New Hampshire, places I've lived. We form those agent to agent partnerships, and right here in North Carolina and South Carolina, we have many other agents that are licensed in Georgia, Florida, Atlanta, Atlanta, Georgia, Tennessee, all our bordering states, Massachusetts, California, wherever you want to go, Hawaii, international, traveling to places for international destinations that you may want to have a vacation home. You know, these are ways I can help with referrals. And if you live in those places and know somebody that are moving to North Carolina or South Carolina, that is how you can help me in my business. So it's a win-win for everyone involved, and having those connections to friends, family, other partners, professional partners, and clients that are past clients. Sending their referrals to us is wonderful, so we can have current and future persons to work with. So that's my 2 cents on referring and how you can help Ann Shepherd in her real estate business. And I appreciate it, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.